Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video we're going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to France. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any kind of visa for any country, you should always check first of all, do you really need a visa? Because based on your nationality, duration, purpose, or even based on your the other visas you have, you may or may not need a visa. And when you determine that you need to do the application, you should check the process as per the official entity that covers the region. Because based on your location, there could be additional steps, fee, documents, or any relevant things. For example, if you are an Indian national, okay, you live in New Delhi. So you need to check as per your location, but more or less things will be similar. So I have opened French Embassy New Delhi website. Okay, they have a link for get a visa. So they have described the step. So first of all, they have given a visa wizard. With this, you can check if you really need a visa or not. Then you need to fill your application online. Okay, you need to create a France visa account. Okay, submit your application to Visa Application Center. So for India, this has been outsourced to VFS. So we'll go to VFS site also. Okay, fine. And once you submit, it will uh you can track it progress. Okay, now so we'll go through this one by one. First of all, Visa Wizard. Okay, I'll open it a new tab. Your nationality, select whatever it is. So this is France Visa Wizard. Just sample. Are you married to a friend? No. Do you travel to join EU excluding France? A family member from, okay, I said no. Place of submission of application. Duration, let's say short-term tourist visa. Main destination of stay. So these are France and you can say French overseas territory. And also Republic of Monaco. I think it's just called Monaco. France, your travel document time, ordinary passport. You can search. Oh, so it says you need a visa unless you meet this criteria. Okay. Your plans, what are you gonna do on this trip at tourism? Main purpose of stay. I said tourism. Fine. You can do a search again if you want. So now it is telling you even the fee also 90 euros or around 8712 Indian rupee a visa fees. But when you submit through VFS, there will be additional fee. Again, it depends on the location where you are. Now the documents that you need, it's very important. Travel document, your passport, photo, detailed itinerary, return ticket reservation, hotel booking, proof of social professionals like employment contract, your job letter, okay, bank statements, um, that is given here. And see, when I spoke about location specific requirements, see, bank statement past 3 months, copy of income tax I return plus ITR 5. Again, this is for applications that are coming from India, right? For employees. So they have given these details, accommodation, travel health insurance. So for all European countries, I have seen at least 30,000 euros travel health insurance they determine. Okay, now let's go back to the previous tab. Here, we need to submit application online. We'll go back to that tab and do. And then we need to go for visa center. So let's go through this VFS first. Okay, submission location. Let's say I select you are gonna do it in Delhi. So VFS. Okay, and they have given contact also. Let's open the website. I'll click on start. So it has come back here. Okay. But anyway, you can fill the online application and it will generate the application for you. Then you need to book an appointment. Okay. So once you have filled the online application, you can book an appointment with your online application signed, and then you need to go with the documents that we have already gone through. Okay. Optional services. Fine. Okay. So, or you can invite to visit official. Okay. So, okay. So this we know already. Website started clearing, answer the online question. List of supporting documents. You click on witness info. Okay, fine. Appointments, fine. Yeah, fee. This fee I was laying. If payment online or the service is not here, you will have to pay service. Okay, fine. Right. Fee is given. How much you need? This is what I wanted to show. So it's 22 euros. So in Indian currency, this plus the fee that we saw earlier, France Visa. Okay, fine. So even this we know. Okay, they have given also. Fine. When you book an appointment, that you can do. Okay. I mean, the service must be paid online. Okay. At the VFS. So this is for Nepal. For India, service fee. Table locals at the questions read by the doctor, which therefore worth amount exchange rate online. So maybe when you apply the application that time itself. Okay. Fine. Visa fee. Okay. Visa fee must be paid local in the VFS counter. Okay, fine. So even you can do it at the counter. Fine. All right. So you have these options available. Okay. Now let's go through the application. So you got the process understood. You see the fee. So first check the wizard. Know if you need a visa and you determine, go to the website, fill the application fully, generate it. You need to sign and then book an appointment with them and also carry all the supporting documents with you. Book an appointment, go there, pay the fee, and then submit your application. If everything goes smooth, you go. But anyway, now we are going to say how to create the France visa wizard. So let's say this is your first time. So you click on create an account as a new user. Okay. So it's asking for last name, first name, email address, check email, language in which you want to complete your visa application. I select English, password, captcha, and create an account. So I'm going to do this and then. Okay, guys. So now I have logged in. Now here, okay. So what happens after you click on create account, it's going to send a verification link that you have to do in order to verify your account, and then you can log in. When you come here, you're going to click on add and create a new application. Your situation, your nationality. Now fill everything as per your case. Do you join or travel the family of a EU country? I select no. Place of submission, I select India. Visa type, short stay. Main destination stay, France. City of submission, yeah, all the options are there where they have consulate in where they have application center. I select New Delhi. Your travel document, The travel document, ordinary passport, travel document number. Do it as per your own case, okay, guys? Date of issue, date of expiry. Your plans, I select tourism, main purpose tourism. Additional details about your provide correct details, date, activities, if you have done further booking, any plans you have, so that the officer can really understand what you really want to do. Verify. You need a visa. Okay. So of course we know. Again, this is sample. This is passport number, but when you enter anything, please verify into your identity, gender, marital status. I said single, but do it as well. Okay. Last name. Last name and birth is different. Obligatory first name if they exist. I just say date of birth, place of birth. Now these pieces of information should match with your passport. Okay. So everything that you do, make sure it matches. National identity number. I'm leaving it because it's an optional value. But if you have, definitely provide. Nationality at birth if different, other nationality. India does not allow dual nationality, so address. Provide your proper address, postal code, city, country, telephone number, telephone number. So you have to use with the code. So in for India is 91 plus 91. So I need to do like this. A sample email address. Do proper email and phone number. Don't do anything like this. Data. Do you live in a country other than the current nationality? I select no. Are you joining a travel French national family? Well, I select no. You join a national number? No. No. Your job, current job. Architect, baker, company, engineer, professional, police, politician, teacher, unemployed. Wow, so many. Then technical service. Wow. Famous company executive, computer engineer. Yeah. Sector. I select communication, name of employer. LE address. Of course, you do it as per your can, and you know the information about your employer, right? I don't have to tell the phone number, email address. Of course, your company will have a contact email address. Provide it nicely, not like this. Of course, I'm not submitting the application. Your last visa. Have you received a Schengen visa within like 59 months? Almost like 5 years. I select no, but if you have, definitely. Details. Planned date of arrival in Schengen intra. So you indicated you will be traveling in the country from. Will you be traveling in other member state or territories, even if only for a few hours? I select no, but do it as per your own case. Planned date of arrival. Let's say June 30. Departure. Let's say July 15. Planned duration calculated. Number of entries. Number of stay planned coming year. Number of days planned in France for the coming year. I select your plans for staying. In, I don't know why they ask this question again and again. Your contact. To find out further information regarding your contacts in the place of your stay, host person or organization. Let's say I booked hotel, so I'll select this funding. Of course, if you have booked the hotel, you definitely know the name and provide address also. City, Paris, France, telephone number. Funding, you're doing myself. How you're gonna do? Accommodation prepaid, credit card you have, cash you have, traveler's check you have. Yeah. Person completing name, first name if they just address. Of course, you know your address. Next. Now you need to upload those supporting documents that we had seen. Okay, I don't have to walk them through again. Next, when you go, so from here, you can continue and add like your documents, and then you can like edit also from here. If I go for edit, you can see. So you can have all the information. I'm just taking you there, that how it goes. On the day of your appointment, please present yourself with this. Okay. Again. If you continue, then it will generate the document that you will sign. Of course, I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm going to delete this. And all right, but you got an idea how to do the application. I mean, you need to continue, get the application print out, and you need to go with, I mean, you can let you see they have the option consult the PDF form of a complete application. So with this, you can book an appointment and go there and submit your application. You got all the information that I wanted to share. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.